Hey, Sora. Long day today, huh? You look tired, but still alive.
Thanks, Alex. Still alive is the nicest compliment I've gotten today.
Really? That's kinda sad.
It is what it is. Being a university student is hard.
Absolutely. Sometimes I wake up tired and then I stay tired the whole day.
Same. It feels like my tiredness travels with me like a little backpack.
A tiredness backpack. I love that.
But anyway, how are you? Still surviving?
Barely. But coffee helped.
You always say coffee helps. One day, coffee might stop working.
Don't say scary things.
Sorry. I didn't mean to bring horror to your day.
Thank you. Save the horror for Halloween.
Deal. So what are you up to now?
Actually, I wanted to talk about something. I've been thinking about my evening routine lately.
Oh, evening habits.
Yup, and I'm curious about yours too.
All right, let's talk about it. Evening habits are interesting and sometimes embarrassing.
Perfect. Let's share everything.
So, who starts? You or me?
You start. Ladies first. Also, I want to mentally prepare myself.
Okay. So, my evening habits are simple. After classes, when I finally reach home, I always take a shower first.
Immediately? Like as soon as you enter the door?
Yes, because the outside world is full of stress. The shower washes all the stress away.
I wish showers could wash away homework too.
Me too. Imagine turning the water on and your assignments just disappear.
That would be magical. The government would make showers illegal.
True. Okay, so after my shower, I usually make dinner.
What do you cook?
Well, sometimes I cook real food, but sometimes I make instant ramen.
Ah, yes, the classic student dinner.
It's easy, it's fast, it's delicious. It's not healthy, but let's ignore that part.
I support you. Instant ramen is a lifestyle.
Exactly. After dinner, I usually sit on my bed and check my phone for 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Lies. That's always at least 1 hour.
You're right. It always becomes 1 hour, sometimes 2. TikTok is dangerous.
I know. You open the app and suddenly it's 11 p.m.
Yes. And then I say, okay, one last video, but there is always one more.
TikTok is like a black hole.
A fun black hole.
True.
After the phone trap, I usually try to study or do homework.
Try?
Try, not succeed. Just try.
Honest. I like it.
Sometimes I study for 1 hour, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 30 seconds.
Same. My studying time depends on how strong my motivation is.
And how strong is your motivation usually?
Weak. Very weak. Like a baby chicken.
So cute.
Not cute for my grades.
Okay, so after studying or pretending to study, I brush my teeth, get ready for bed, and watch something on Netflix.
What do you watch at night?
Cozy shows, something calm, something that makes me feel warm and sleepy.
Like cooking shows?
Yes, or nature shows or cute romance shows.
Cute romance shows are dangerous. You'll stay awake wanting to watch the next episode.
True, but I still do it. Before I know it, it's midnight, sometimes 1 a.m.
Study, Netflix, midnight, so classic.
That's basically my whole evening, nothing special.
Actually, it sounds really nice.
Thanks. Now your turn. Tell me your evening habits.
Okay, get ready. Mine are interesting.
I am so ready.
So first, when I get home, I throw my backpack on my bed.
Always the bed?
Yes, the bed is the safest place. The floor is dangerous.
Dangerous? How?
Because if I put my bag on the floor, I might trip, fall, hit my head, and become even more confused than I already am.
That is very dramatic.
Thank you. So, after saving my life from the floor, I go to the kitchen and look inside the fridge.
And what do you find?
Nothing.
Nothing, always.
Yes, every time I open the fridge, I expect something delicious to magically appear, but it never does.
You need to buy groceries.
I know, but groceries cost money.
Yes, that is how food works.
Sad but true. So instead of cooking real food, I usually eat something simple, like bread, cereal, or whatever I can find.
Beautiful. So nutritious.
After dinner, I sit at my desk and tell myself, okay, Speaker One, it's time to study.
And then?
And then I watch YouTube videos instead.
What kind of videos?
Random things, cooking videos, cat videos, videos of people building tiny houses in the forest. I don't know why, but I watch everything.
That is so relatable.
After that, I usually take a shower, and I sing in the shower.
What do you sing?
Everything. Pop songs, old songs, Disney songs. My neighbors probably think I'm doing a concert.
You should record yourself.
No, the world is not ready for that.
I want to hear it one day.
Maybe, one day.
Okay, continue.
After showering, around 9 or 10 p.m., I finally open my textbooks and start studying.
For real?
For real, but only for about 20 minutes. Then I get sleepy.
Classic.
And once I get sleepy, I take a break, and that break lasts forever.
So no more studying?
My brain stops working after 10 p.m. It says, "Good night, Speaker One. See you tomorrow."
Your brain has good boundaries.
True. So, after giving up on studying, I brush my teeth and lie in bed.
And then?
I watch videos on my phone until I forget what time it is.
Dangerous.
Very. Sometimes it becomes midnight, sometimes later.
How do you wake up in the morning?
I don't know. Magic. Pure magic.
You need to sleep earlier.
I know, but my phone is too fun.
So your evening is basically fridge disappointment, YouTube, shower concert, study attempt, and phone addiction.
Yes, welcome to my life.
Honestly, it sounds kinda nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Evening habits don't have to be perfect. They just need to make you feel relaxed and happy.
That's true. And even if my habits are chaotic, they are my habits.
And we can always make small improvements.
Like what?
Sleeping earlier. No.
Yes, sleep is important.
Fine, you're right.
We can help each other. Let's try to sleep before midnight for 1 week.
1 week? That's long.
It's only 7 days.
7 days is long.
Come on, we can do it together.
Okay, I will try.
Good, I will try too.
Deal.
Well, talking about our evening habits was fun. I never knew your fridge was so empty.
My fridge is a sad place. Very sad.
Maybe. One day you'll fill it with real food.
Maybe one day when I become a full adult.
You're an adult now.
A baby adult. Not the same.
True. But I liked hearing your routine. It's messy but charming.
Thank you. And your routine is very cozy. A shower, ramen, Netflix. Sounds perfect.
Thanks. And I guess both of us could sleep earlier.
Definitely. My future self will thank me.
Same. Well, I should get going before it gets too late.
Yeah, I also have homework, but I'll probably ignore it.
At least you're honest.
Always.
Before we say goodbye, let's tell the viewers.
Oh yes, good idea.
Everyone, thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed our simple English conversation about evening habits.
And we hope it helps you practice English in a fun and friendly way.
And if you like this video or lesson,
Please support our channel, Ready Talk.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
We'll see you next time with more easy English conversations.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.